Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Pick a reputable VPN app and install it now. You need an updated phone, free space, and a stable connection. Download and open the app. Create or sign into your account, enter payment if required, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, grant the minimal permissions the app requests. Make sure to read the basic privacy settings so you understand what the provider logs and why that matters for your traffic. You now configure the VPN. Choose a server location based on whether you prioritize speed, privacy, or accessing region-locked content. Next, open settings and enable the kill switch and auto connect for untrusted Wi-Fi so apps cannot leak without the VPN. Pick a modern protocol like WireGuard or OpenVPN. WireGuard often gives better speeds. Once connected, validate the connection by testing for IP and DNS leaks and running a speed check so you know the everyday impact on performance. To finish, tailor behavior. Enable split tunneling when some apps should bypass the VPN to save bandwidth or access local services. Make sure Auto Connect is active for networks you trust less, and schedule app updates. If you hit problems, first reconnect or change servers. If that fails, toggle the protocol and confirm VPN permissions in system settings. Rebooting the phone often resolves transient issues. If nothing works, reinstall the app as a last resort and contact support with logs so they can diagnose the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.